Good, beautiful morning, YouTube. 7 o'clock in the morning, early as hell, but today we're gonna be fitting this thing into the car. But before we do that, as you can see, look at this. This thing is crusty, musty, bro. I got my good friend Ryan coming over to get this cleaned up. Yeah, so Ryan is my homie who does detailing, and he's gonna come over in about a few minutes to get this cleaned up before we throw it into the GR86. Cause bro, ain't no way y'all want me to put my butt cheeks on these, bro. Honestly, I think I could have done this myself. I could have gotten it cleaned by myself, but I don't want to ruin the fabric, you know, throwing a bunch of solutions on it. So I'm gonna let the professional guy do this, and he should be here by now, but I don't see him. Just want to give my boy Ryan a quick shout out for getting this all cleaned up for me. Look at him sitting in the back. Perfect red, no fart stains, no shit stain. This thing is looking brand freaking new. So my boy Ryan over here, he does mobile detailing. If you're in the OC area, I'll link all his stuff in the description. I'll also put his handle somewhere right here. You guys can hit him up. He does an amazing job detailing your car, interior, exterior, full detail, whatever. Hit him up. But to continue with the video, let's go ahead and get this inside the car. I think it's ready now. Got the 86 inside the garage now. I am so glad we're finally doing an install where I don't gotta jack this thing up. Bruh, look at this, bro. Look at this big boo-boo. I think I'm gonna just wrap this lip instead of getting it painted, because bro, look at this shit, bro. This is what happens once you get it painted. One little touch of some asphalt and that paint is gone. But it should be easy. Couple bolts, and this chair should be coming out. One bolt, two bolts, and then two more in the back. Let's get to it. Just a couple 12 mil. Boom, two. Now, move the seat forward. Oh. It's butt because every time I use it, it vibrates and then the battery falls out. Under the seat, you should see two connectors. You just want to unplug those before you try to take the seat out. Should I disconnect my battery? I feel like I should. Y'all think I can do this one hand? How am I gonna get the prop? This is why I need a sponsor for some hood struts, man. Boom. All right, let's disconnect. Oh my, look at this. Look at this wiring from my underglow, man. I need to do, what is this? I was supposed to tap it into one of the fuse, and I never got around to doing it. But maybe today we'll hood it. Look at all of this space though. Spoolie. So we're just gonna disconnect the negative terminal of our battery. Every time I do this, it's so scary, man. Because you guys ever, what do you call it? You guys ever accidentally try to remove something and then your ratchet hits another part? Oh, 10. And then it goes, psh, sparks. Yep, that's scary, man. Under here, you're gonna see two connectors. Make sure you remove them before you try to yank out your seat. Otherwise, you're gonna be in for some not so fun situation. Make sure you don't hit anything on the way out. And while we're here, we might as well clean up this area a little bit because you rarely get to access this area. So let's go ahead and just vacuum it real quick. Hey, we got the carpet cleaned up just enough. Oh, what the hell is this? Clean up just enough. So these are the connectors I was talking about. I'm pretty sure one of them is for the heat, the other one is for the seatbelt, and the other one's for the airbags. For the airbags, we're gonna be using a 2.2 ohms resistor. Just plug it into right there, the connector, and it should clear out the airbag. The seatbelt goes back into its seatbelt. Alright, so we're at the back of the OEM seat now. We're gonna need to remove or at least get access to this cable right here. And that goes to our seatbelt. So we just need to remove this out of this seat and throw it onto our new seat. Unless you guys, are not running seatbelts. You guys are doing seatbelt delete. Pull this out. Ow! And don't hurt yourself. Boom. Oh, we got 2 more to go. Slowly. I just can't get to the back of this. Boom. Easy peasy. Now that the seats are somewhat kind of dry, I do want to throw it into the car real quick just to see how I want it to sit on the brackets or how I want it to sit. And then we can go ahead and adjust it. So let's go ahead and throw this in real quick. Hey. Hey, you want to throw your head in first. Hey. Boom. Get this in the right spot. Boom. Boom. How does that look? All right, let's go sit in it and see if we like it or not. Ah! Low key, ain't bad, bro. I'm sitting super low though. Not bad, but I am sitting really low. Like extremely low. Put right there. Slide this back a little bit. Oh wait, no wonder I'm sitting low, bro. I don't got the cushion in. What am I doing? Hey, don't be a dumbass like me, man. Make sure you put the cushions in. Ah. Okay, there we go. Now this feels more like it. I'm not gonna lie, this feels pretty good. I think I'm gonna keep it like this, actually. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep it like this. I think this setting's pretty good. Let's go ahead and mount everything up. Still wet. Let this dry real quick before it gets. You don't want to install it while it's wet because it's gonna get moldy, and you do not want mold in here. All right, so I got a bunch of these 2.2 ohm resistor that I'm gonna throw into the airbag connector real quick. This is just so we can keep the airbag light from coming on. You see this? Tiny little resistor, just bend it a little bit. And then stick it in there. All right, once resistor's in there, go ahead and just tape it up so protect it from the outside elements. Now we want to unbolt this right here, the seatbelt right here, real quick, so that we can route this through the hole on the bucket and not have the seatbelt go over the bolster of the seat. Oh, what the? This shit's not even tightened, bro. What in the world? I thought it was spinning because it wasn't the right socket, but it was spinning because it was already loose. All right, let's go ahead and throw this in there real quick. Hey. Oy. There we go. Let's plug in. Actually, we don't need to plug anything in. I don't think. We might have to plug in the seatbelt. Let's see. So the PCI bracket actually has holes on the bottom side. So then I could actually connect these, I could actually plug these connectors in, or the tabs, just so it doesn't move around. So that's pretty cool. Boom, see, like that. Now, it won't be moving around. Boom. Hey, that thing looks baller or what? Boom. Throw the bolts back on. All right, now that the seat's in, let's go ahead and route our seatbelt real quick. Boom. Look at that. For the other side, we're gonna have to, unfortunately, struggle to get the seatbelt in. I do have seatbelt extenders coming in soon, but for now, we're just gonna have to either reach over like this, or we have to go through here. But just wait until we get the seatbelt extender, and then we should be able to get that fixed. Bro, look at that, bro. No, that thing looks sick in there. Hey, if I had more money, bro, I'd do the passenger side too. But I think my girlfriend's gonna hate that, and also my passenger. But look at that, bro. Oh, you can barely see it from the front because I don't have my CPL filter on, but damn, look at that. All right, y'all, so the buckets are now in the car, and this thing is sick. Let me turn that up for y'all. So, plan on getting the seatbelt guide right here, so I don't have to stand dangling like this on the fabric. Think about swapping this out probably for a BRIDE one, or maybe a red GR one. Seatbelt extender, and some knee pad protector thingy, or maybe the side pockets. But this is what it looks like right now. Dang, this car is getting more and more fun to drive, man. Hey. All right, y'all, so that's basically the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making videos for you guys. This car right here is probably like gonna be my forever car, so I'm literally doing everything kid me dreamt of. And dang, does this thing look good, bro. Hey man, I need y'all to support the channel so then I could get a daily, and then we could throw on a Pandem kit. Because then if I have a daily, we're going full on build for this car, man. But since this is my daily right now, I can't do any of that. Oh my, look what I just noticed. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. This is the PPF. As always, Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace out.